बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा, अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart.
The Grateful Bird complete story in English. A hunter lived near the edge of a thick forest. One day, he went into the forest with his trap and caught a beautiful bird. The bird became scared and humbly said, "Oh, kind man, if you set me free, I will always remember your kindness." The hunter first thought about selling the bird to earn some money, but the bird's innocent words melted his heart. He opened the trap and let the bird go. A few days later, the same bird returned. It came close to the hunter and said, "You were kind to me, and now I want to show you something special." The hunter followed the bird in surprise. The bird led him to a secret place in the forest where a treasure was buried underground. The hunter dug it up and looked gratefully at the bird. From that day on, he began treating others with kindness because he had learned. Moral of the story: a good deed is never wasted. It always brings a reward in return.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.